Hello buddies, I'm here to solve a question.
How to get your semester right.
A new semester brings with it excitement and thrill, but it also comes with a sense of doubt and nervousness that will I be able to do it well or not? So here I am to tell you all some tips and tricks to make your semester a blockbuster. You must all have a university or school site which provides you the syllabus of all the subjects. Open it and go through it and know your syllabus.
Knowing your syllabus plays a major role in effective studies. You will be very focused on what you have to study and what you don't have to study. And you'll spend time more on those things which are needed to be focused on, and your study and your learning will be very concise. So you should know your syllabus, you should jot it down.
Come on, pick up your pens and write down the syllabus of this semester on a diary or a register or any other paper.
Plotting is a fun way to organize your stuff, and planning makes you feel productive even when you do it, even just when you write it. And doing it, implementing it is a huge success. So planning helps you in a lot of ways to keep yourself focused in the whole semester. You just need to write each day what you have to do, your targets, your tasks for each day of a month. And one more thing, if you want to be a much smarter version of yourself and you want to beat the old version of you and of the previous semester, whatever you were in previous semester, you want to beat that thing. So just start early. This is going to be amazing trick to be a better version of yourself than the previous semester, and this year you're gonna rock.
Write down your timetable of the semester and stick it in front of you, and do not miss any class.
You're gonna love the next thing which I'm going to tell you, and some people may find it frustrating, and yes, it seems frustrating at the time you're doing it, during you're doing all this, what I'm going to tell you. It is very frustrating, but it can be a huge relaxant for the next whole semester, and you will feel so relaxed after you do this. I'm not going to tell you bash a door or break something, no. Just download all the files and the folders or documents, lectures, any PDFs, any videos which your university has provided you, or any book you want to download from the internet. Just download it all and keep it in a folder in your laptop, and it should be subject wise and very organized. Another thing for which I may appear you like a psychopath, and maybe there are many psychopaths like me who would love to buy new stationery for new semester. Yeah, some people do that. Comment who all do that. Even I do. So yeah, you may buy some new stationery, or you can set and declutter which is with the things which are not working, and you can organize your stationery you already have, and do organize it. It is going to give you a huge boost. Just organize, declutter, and keep your things in right place. Make sure you have all the necessary books, all the necessary register, necessary stationery items, and yeah, just go for it. That's all. These are the things you have to do before the semester, and you are going to rock it. The only things which I want to tell you additionally is that throughout the semester, stay focused. Otherwise, all these things are going to go in vain. Yeah, so just study well, stay focused, don't take holidays, no leaves at all. Make yourself determined that you're not gonna take holidays, you're not gonna take offs even for half of the class, and stay focused in class, make notes, and also stay healthy and have good food, meditate daily, hydrate yourself. These are the things which are going to make you feel stronger, and also will help you remain focused throughout your semester. And if you liked my video, do like, subscribe, and share with your mates. Don't cheat your friends. Just share this video and help them too. And also, when the semester is over, come back and just write in the comments that did you find these tricks helpful or not, and how did your semester go. All the best for your semester.